Well, hello again, folks. Welcome back to another episode of Automotive Drama. Today I got a 2019 Ford Escape. Customer complained that she went in it and it wouldn't start. I checked the power wire at the starter for the start, which is right here. And yes, it has 12 volts. It's trying to ignite, but the starter itself, the power wire, which is at the back of the starter, which is right here. I don't know if you could see that or not. It's right there. Has no power. So there is actually a starter fuse. You see that big yellow one right here? That blew. There is no power coming across. I got 12 volts up here. Where's the voltmeter? We got 12 volts here, but 0 volts here. The fuse popped. Very strange. I don't know why it did. I just don't know. I don't know. Cheap materials. Anyways, so if anybody ever runs across one of these and it won't crank over, don't get all stupid thinking it's security, this, that, blah, 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 and don't just put a starter on it without checking the power wire on the back, because you'll put a starter on it and it still won't start. So anyways, simple repair, actually. Thanks again, folks, for tuning in, and stay tuned for another episode of Automotive Drama up to come. Likes are nice, scribes are better, questions, comments, more than welcome. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more episodes. Have a good night.